Every day, thousands of files are created, saved, and forgotten, each one with a name that doesn't tell the full story. Some names are rushed, some have mistakes, some are simply impossible to find again, and little by little, your digital workspace becomes cluttered, disorganized, and harder to trust. AutoRename was created to solve that. It's an intelligent Windows application that scans your folders, detects every typo, and automatically corrects file names, instantly, perfectly. Whether you're managing Word documents, Excel sheets, CAD files, or project archives, AutoRename works quietly in the background, cleaning, fixing, and organizing everything for you. It understands what you meant to type, identifies inconsistencies, and restores order with one simple click. What used to take hours of manual renaming now happens in seconds. Every space corrected, every mistake removed, every name aligned. With AutoRename, your folders become clean, professional, and easy to navigate again. Because precision isn't just about big things, it's found in the smallest details. AutoRename fixes file names automatically,